Italiano, Bucaramanga, and Agnes Abea, Yotame. The two of them have been brilliant thus far in these championships, and they are hanging on to that top two spot. They are increasing that gap as time to Luca and Agnes from the County, showing why he's not being known for long distance and short distance races. But surely, don't believe this. It's another who will take first and who will come second. And for the moment, Dr. is needed, but Agnes is not that far behind. And they need the support. Dr. seems to be a champion thus far. Both of them guaranteed a spot in the Everett. Surely nothing, not just because can happen. 15 meters. That meters to go. 10 minutes to go. Even as Dr. Agnes progressing the route, she's going to hold her brothers and awaits. Is it enough for East Africa? That is. Belfast from Kissy School. Excellent, Union College boys, matching with the starting line. Mr. Mayor. Excellent missions. Finalists. On the side of us. Like for the men. Mzunguko wanaadili upande wa wavulana. After 800 meters, we have 200 meters for girls, the 200 meters for boys. Then finally we have 3,000 meters singles for girls. But we mark the last event for today on the track. For field events, we have triple jump for girls going on. We are coming to the end of discus throws for boys. And then we'll have hammer for boys and for girls after we are through with the other activities. Meanwhile, fireworks is going on at Kissy School. Rugby, handball, hockey. Duru had just beaten Kisumu Day 1-0 in hockey. Silence for the start. Juru boys had beaten Kanyawanga in handball, 27-23. A tight match it was. So these are the finalists by name: Joseph, Vincent, Simon, Leonard,
Joseph again, Samuel, Valencia, Stephen, and Otieno. Top 2 spots. I'm putting my money on Valencia in black from Migori County, Korea Sub-County. This will be short and sweet, so don't blink for a minute, because if you blink, you will miss it. David Rudisha of Nyanza. So let us see. Currently, Vincent is leading and is being chased by Leonard. Leonard has overtaken Vincent. So it's Leonard, Vincent, Leonard, Vincent, Leonard hanging on. But wait a minute, there is a third party that is coming into this mix, even as they come towards that last 400 meters. So it's about 500 meters to go. Oh yes, the pack is still on. Oh yes. Let us see who will break away. Is there breakaway speed? But it seems that Leonard seems to have that extra bit of gas in him. Can he hold on? Leonard holding on, he's dropped on onto second place, and it's now Vincent on the charge. Vincent leading, Leonard still in second place. He's being chased ferocious, Leonard, but Vincent is hanging on. Who will take this to Eldoret? Vincent keeping this strong, keeping this going. But wait a minute, look at that run from Samuel. Getting back on the road. Oh, there is a charge from the guy in green, Joseph. It's now a Joseph and a Vincent affair. Joseph and a Vincent affair. Who will take this heat? Oh, he's still out here. But the guy in black is communicating. Follow by Valencia. Whoa. I don't know what is what here. What a race. Did Valencia steal that at the last minute? Let me consult the commissar. Those of us who love rugby, Maseno School is playing Kisi School. Sorry, Maseno School is playing St. Mary's Yala. Underway in Kisi School, Maseno versus Yala, and lastly Rapogi versus Kisi School in rugby. In the hockey, those who love hockey, Yala is taking on Ringa, and then Maseno versus Kanyawanga. In basketball, one match is going on. Barichango had just beaten Nyakach, and Ototo had just beaten Sengera Girls. Maseno School is taking on Kisi School as we are speaking in basketball, Court A. And Diru Boys have just beaten Kanyawanga in handball to mark the end of the day. Playing now is Yala versus Maseno, and Maseno versus Kisi School. Nice things going on. Tam 1. Morris doing good here with Momani, doing it from this far end as I did from Kisi School. Good work so far, Morris and Momani. I hope the regional chairman has had that. I also want to go. Anyway, Valencia came in second, stealing that last spot for Eldoret. What a last 50 meters from him. Joseph hanging on to take it. So it's Joseph and Valencia.
And in the meantime, we are waiting for 200 meters hits for girls. Then we will have the 200 meters hits for the boys. Korum doing good job. I can see the participants are marching towards the start line of 200 meters. Hits for girls. Then we'll have 200 meters hits for the boys. Then later on, we'll wind up the track event by having 3,000 meters as steeplechases for the girls.
Good work here going on at the Nyantika Mayor Stadium, the home for Shabana. Top of the table in NSL, bound for Premier League, Shabana. See Nikiama there, the other side, Yobej, Chief Yobej, your entire team. Torebobe, 800 meters, Torebobe kama Shabana.
200 meters hits. Wasichana wanatembea kwa mwembe, madoido. Ndio wasichana mita 200.
Kakrao handball girls, defending champions for Nyanza, beat Omobera 49-22. Kisi School. Ototo, defending champions basketball, beat St. Angela. As Ndulu boys beat Kanyawanga 27-23 in a hot contested match handball. Going on currently is rugby, Maseno versus St. Mary's Yala, and basketball going on is Maseno School versus Kisi School. Serious things going on. And in hockey, going on is Yala versus Winga. The last one will be Maseno versus Kanyawanga. When they are done here, you can catch up at Kisi School for some more matches before we count the day gone. Nyanza Region Term 1 2023. Kisi Stadium, Kisi School. Morris here and Momanyi doing good work here. Then we go back to Kisi School.
How to run fast, but maybe you can teach yourself as the athletes come towards this last 100 meters or so. Maybe his production is going on fine, but so is the guy in that Sheila, representing County. Sheila, he's going to take this, leave it out, 1, 2, everywhere. Sheila, first, again, second. Blink and you miss it. Blink and you miss it. Lift off. We have lift off in the second semi-final of the girls, and very nice lady, and she's winning ferociously, but she has been on the time overtaken by Nata, the Monterey County. Nata coming in. She's holding on in the second place because this is going to be taken by none other than the girl in red. Can you miss that? That. Shadow. Blink and you miss it. The 200 meter semi-final. The boys are on the way. And this boys are quick. This boys are fast. But who's the quickest amongst them? I can't see also because they're tied neck to neck. Neck to neck. But it seems to me the guy in Paganini. Evans on the charge. Evans on the charge. Evans on the charge. These are boys who can compete the cheetah in the savannah. And look at them coming in strong, coming in fast, coming in speedily. Rockets, we are in Kisi County, but who is the fastest rocket? I'm going to say no. I can't tell who is leading at the front, but it seems there is a guy in black taking it as clear as day, still winning. We are at the finish line where we have the track judges. Immediately after the hammer event is concluded, all athletes from Homa Bay County, girls, kindly go and take your seat. Immediately after the hammer event is concluded, all athletes from Homa Bay County, girls, kindly go and take your seat in the wheelie bus. Boys, kindly go take your seat in the Wangapala bus. Homa Bay County appeals. Girls, go to Homa Bay County appeals. Girls, go to wheelie bus. Boys, go to Wangapala bus.
Shabana Silbert FC home match ni siku ya Jumapili ndani ya uga huu wa Gusii Stadium. Kesho Nyanza Region Day 2 Athletics Gusii Stadium.